Toilet ranking, let's see.
CBDBD, dom, yeah.
Let's see. Husky WC. Number 10. Really famous. Shower douche. Also good. Let's see. Standard and classic caca. Number 7. Really nice. Let's see. Circle with star. Let's see. Trash WC. Number 8. Let's see. Blackberry. Let's see. Tap beer. Beer WC. Number 5. Yes. Vulcan Edna. Number 2. Really nice. Caca from the leg. Number 4. And number 3 is Haribo, of course.